guys, Teacher Kristen here. Welcome back to my channel and happy summer. If you are one of the brick and mortar teachers who has just finished a school year and is ready to jump back online for full-time VIPKID teaching, I am right there with you. I hope you are enjoying the sunshine, the extra time off, and of course, teaching online. On top of teaching my regulars and new students each and every week, I've also gotten into the recruiting process here for VIPKID, and I've created what I call my 10 Days to Teaching Guide. If you would like to have that, it is a free resource for any person who is looking to join the VIPKID community. Information on how to join my referral class of candidates joining the community is down below in the description box, as well as my Instagram page. You can ask me any and all questions there. I do a lot of Q&A there. I do a lot of sharing of my schedules, my paychecks, my goals, and everything in between, so make sure you check that out down below. This year I have been very fortunate in getting people continuously into the program, which is amazing not only for getting more people in the classroom. It is my personal goal to get more of my brick and mortar teachers out of working retail and out of trying to balance an MLM with their family and into the classroom making their own schedules. But the other side of this is me being able to see the top mistakes that new hired teachers have. You know, it feels great. You've been through all the hoops and jumps to get into the program. You've signed your contract, your background checks here. You've opened up all of your classes, and then it just stops. Maybe you're excited to get into teaching, but you haven't booked a class and it's been weeks. Maybe you think that classes are going to go one way, but they've gone another way. Either way, I have the top 3 most common mistakes for brand new teachers. Also, before I jump into this video, make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell down below to be notified for each and every future video. This channel has a lot of VIPKID, a lot of teaching videos, and then I'm also a voice teacher. So if you know anyone who wants free voice lessons online, like carry a voice teacher in your pocket, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I got you guys covered. But without any further ado, here are our top 3 teacher mistakes for new teachers. Mistake number 1 is thinking that your students are assigned to you. I know if you're a brick and mortar teacher, you're used to walking into the classroom and picking up a classroom roster of the kids that have been assigned to your class. When VIP could be a great world if that's how it was. Unfortunately, it is not. You have to wait for a student to click and select you as their teacher. They do that through your bio and picture. Any questions on that, again, leave them down below. And if they do not select you, there are a plethora of other teachers they can choose from. This is why it takes some people weeks and even months to get their first booking. This is why I tell my candidates and my referrals, take 20 of your best pictures in good lighting. I actually have my candidates send their pictures to me and I edit them on my professional software, crop them so you're not seeing like this much of their face or they've got a bunch of people with them. I tell them to go outside, use their phone or whatever they have their spouse take a picture, whatever they can do to the best of their ability. I mean, use what you have when you have it. Take your pictures, edit them the best way you can, because it is your picture and your profile that are going to get the students to click on you and select you as your teacher. There are also a few things you can put in your bio that parents really like to see. If I have any videos on that, I will link them down below or up above in the cards. Mistake number 2 is not being patient. Just like I said before, it could take weeks and even months. Some people think, oh, I'm in. The kids are just gonna come flocking towards me. Unfortunately, that is not how it works. It does typically, once again, take several weeks to get a class. And again, one of the things I tell my referrals is if you're in and you're waiting, this is your chance to go and take those workshops. This is your chance to go and meet other people in the community, because once those classes do start coming in, you're gonna wanna focus on those classes. How's your backdrop? How's your classroom? How's your lighting? How are your headphones? You can work on your equipment, you can work on taking those classes, and you can work on your pictures, bio, and video all while you are waiting. It does not all have to be perfect on day 1. Remember, take it one day at a time, and if you build it well, they will come, and if you do well in the class, they will rebook you. I've mentioned this before in a video. One of the biggest issues I had was thinking that I just had to keep bringing in new kids. I never focused on keeping the regulars. And once I kept the regulars, my schedule started filling up and I could pretty much guess what 80% of my schedule was going to look like Sunday night / Monday morning after the frenzy. And the third most common mistake I see in new teachers, and it doesn't matter if they're a veteran teacher, brand new, doesn't matter if they have formal training in education, Teachers always speak too fast. Again, another tip. I guess I'm giving mistakes and then tips I tell my referrals. I tell my referrals to speak this slowly. Be animated. The children are learning a new language clearly, and they're not going to understand everything you're saying. So using your TPR, total physical response, speak slowly, use your hands, do the best that you can. If you feel like you are speaking too slow, you are speaking just right. A lot of feedback I see from parents that give 3 and 4 Apple reviews and not that 5 usually say, teacher spoke too fast for the student. Always speak slow, and other bonus tip from me, always let the student finish their sentence or their reading before correcting. Parents hate when teachers interrupt. So even if what they're saying is not right, grammatically wrong, pronunciation wrong, let the student speak the whole thing. And then if you've been in the classroom before, you know you can use your mouse to click on parts of the slide. What I recommend doing, let Johnny finish speaking and then circle a couple words to work on. Do not overwhelm the student. I'd say 3 max, and then slowly read the sentence and have him repeat. This also goes for introductions. If there's a student I haven't taught before, the first thing I always ask is, what is your name? And I wait right here. Even if they're level 3 or 4, I will sit, I will wait, let them say their name, and then you can really know if they're good with their introductions if when you say, my name is Teacher Kristen. Nice to meet you. You can do this, and if they say, nice to meet you too, you know that they have been working on their introductions. Don't always wait for that. Sometimes they say, nice to meet you, and I wait. And sometimes the kid will go, nice to meet you, and I just say, good job. Let's go. So speak slowly, get a sense in the first 30 seconds or so. Are they an advanced student? Do they need work on certain things? What are they? You kind of have to be a performer and a teacher at the same time. For example, some of my kids really like it when I read stories and I get really animated. Other kids want to show me that they know the story, they're going to read it, and sometimes they quiz me on things. So it really is just getting a sense of what does one student like versus another one, but I don't care what level they are, you must speak slowly. There's a class on here called Voice of VIPKID, and it is solely to have the students practice conversation. And even I get excited in there because the kids are pretty advanced at this point. But if I don't speak slowly, if I don't ask them, what did you think of that story? What's your favorite season? Because not only do I have to speak slow, my voice is traveling through my computer, through the internet, all the way across the world to China in real time. So if they have a hard time hearing what I'm saying through their speakers, the least I can do is speak slowly. Water break. No, I do not mean to have all my things be orange. It's just VIPKID life. Anyway, those are my top 3 mistakes I see in most new teachers that are here in the community, so excited to be here, but may have a few things that don't go the way they planned. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to let me know by giving this a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or things you'd like to see in a future video, leave me comments down below. If you are interested at all in working here with VIPKID, let me know. I would love to put you into my referral classes. This is not like an MLM. If you go through and make it through my referral, I make 0 of your dollars. I just get you through the program. I have my guides 10 days to teaching, and I am currently rolling out what I like to call Kristen's Classroom. If you sign up with my referral link any day after June 1st, 2019, and you go all the way through the process and teach your first class, I would like to sponsor you your classroom with a $25 gift card. It can be to either Walmart, Amazon, or Dollar Tree. I can tell you this entire background came from the Dollar Tree and it cost much less than $25. But once again, Kristen's Classroom is free for anyone who uses my referral, goes through the entire program, teaches their first class. They will receive a $25 gift card, again, to Amazon, Walmart, or the Dollar Tree. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.